Hello everyone, so first, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Titania Audelia Putri, but you can call me Nadia. I'm a student of Civil Engineering at University of Technocrat Indonesia. So here, I would like to explain about the practicum statistic. So, statistic is one of the branches of technical mechanics connected with force analysis that work on a stationary, static, or structural system. The force here in general include the force themselves and moment. In the static, structural system are ideally so rigid that the impact of elasticity is not noticed. The static are generally among the first technical courses given at the university level. The principles learned in static are quite basic and easily understood, requiring very little of the law of physics, of mechanics, and basic mathematics. The statistical practice is also an introductory course by an engineer in finding the inner voltage that occurs in any part of the material that experiences a force. Thus it is possible to know which points are overlapped in material, object, or construction. Increasingly advanced learning system in the use of equipment enable students to apply the science that could have been done with the pursuit of a statistic practice, which become a subject for various students. Statistics has a very vital role in the realm of civil engineering. Statistics is needed for planning the development by collecting and analyzing data that can be drawn to decisions based on solid scientific reason. Statistics can also plan to suit the waste by controlling the quality control of the building and preventing future problems. Material research, due diligence, waste calculation, and so forth are examples of the statistic role to predict structural force. To find out structural strength, so laboratory tests from several material samples to be used will enable it to identify the characteristic property of the material suitable for use. Data from results will be used to develop an average pressure force by using a statistical science. Then, observation of external factors such as a transit and the weather also affected the education. Such information is usually simple, the product of inclusive research or observation, or needed to be prepared in order to draw conclusion for the sake of the final report of the data. This is in the process that we will then make greater use of the statistic. Based on the basis of the theory and the discussion in the previous section, I can draw the following conclusion. 1. Statistics is the science that consists of the data collection, analyzing and analysis data to find consolation based on data evidence. 2. Structural are complex structures that are constructed by many parts. 3. Statistics play a very vital role in the realm of civil engineering. A statistic is needed for building planning, material research, due diligence, weight calculation, and so forth are examples of the statistic role. The data from these tests will eventually be processed and used to draw conclusion in predicting structural force. With all my brief explanation of the statistic practice course, may you all understand what I have explained, and for my mistake, please be forgiven. So, see you guys in another video. Thank you.